What is communication? Communication is the exchange of information from one person to another in the form of speaking, writing, or any other media. And this information can be in the form of ideas, opinions, feelings, emotions, sentiments, etc. It means that for communication, two parties are required. One is the communicator and the other is the audience. And this audience can either be a single person or it can be any number of persons. And communication skill is the ability or expertise to do the communication in an effective manner. And communication to be effective is when the communicator is able to express himself exactly in the manner in which he intended to express. And to be effective, communicator has to be very honest while communicating. And he has to make his communication two-way and open, which means that the communicator has to entertain, has to take care of, and he should listen to the feedback and suggestions of the audience as well. Now, while communicating through speaking, the words should be clearly spoken, clearly pronounced, and the voice tone, the facial expressions, the hand gestures, and the body language, they all have to be in synchronization so that the communication can be effective. However, while writing, it is not supported with the expressions or the gestures and the body language, so we have to be very careful while choosing the script. The words should be properly spelt, the grammar should be proper, the punctuation should be proper, and we should be very careful while writing. But sometimes, in spite of taking care of the speaking and the writing skills, the communication is not effective. And this may be due to certain barriers in communication. Now, what are these barriers? There are three kinds of barriers in communication. The physical barriers, then we have the mental barriers, and we have the emotional barriers. The physical barriers are like the surrounding noises which makes the communication unclear, or then we can have the technical issues or the network problems which are an obstacle in the path of communication. Then we can have the mental barriers also, and these mental barriers are like choosing a wrong language or the wrong vocabulary which is not being understood by the audience, or a wrong choice of media of communication, and using a highly technical language, or the communicator not taking care of the cultural differences with the audience. So these are also a kind of mental barriers which makes the communication ineffective. And the third kind of barrier is the emotional barrier. And this emotional barrier is the barrier which is in the mind of the communicator. And this is the preconceived notion or the unnecessary ideas or the unnecessary and auxiliary thoughts in the mind of communicator, which creates a kind of noise, and they obstruct him from communicating in an effective manner, and they obstruct him to be honest while communicating. So my friends, if we want to be an effective communicator, if we want to excel in the communication skills, then we have to take care of these three barriers of communication: the physical barriers, the mental barriers, and the emotional barriers also. And we should be very careful while speaking and writing, and we should be so much skillful in communication so that whatever is going in our mind, in our heart, and whatever we need to intend is clearly reflected in the audience. And so, my friends, I'm sure you understood what I communicated to you in this video, and I'll be waiting for your feedbacks and suggestions because that is what keeps me going. So thank you, stay happy, stay healthy. Thanks a lot.